Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll walk through how to freeze frame DaVinci Resolve so you can pause your video on a specific moment for dramatic or creative impact. Step 1. Play your video on the timeline and move the playhead to the exact frame you want to freeze. To cut the clip, press Ctrl+B on Windows or CMD+B on Mac, or click the blade tool and cut at the playhead, which helps isolate the moment. Step 2. Press the right arrow key once to move forward by one frame, then make another cut using the same shortcut. This creates a single frame clip, which is required to apply the freeze frame correctly. Step 3. Right-click on the single frame clip and select Change Clip Speed from the menu. In the window that opens, check the freeze frame option and click Change to lock that frame. Step 4. Click and drag the edge of the frozen clip on the timeline to extend it to any length you want. This controls how long the freeze frame stays on screen before the video continues. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful DaVinci Resolve tutorials.